Hello, I'm Tristan Lerécollet, Managing Director in charge of VIAMETRIS business. So at INTERGEO 2019, we are presenting our new VMS 3D, a vehicle-mounted Lidar mobile mapping system that combines all the traditional technology, so GNSS, IMU, odometer, with our unique and proprietary SLAM algorithm. With this, you actually get the perfect result even in GNSS-denied environments like urban canyon, tunnels, forests. By default, our standard VMS is equipped with 2 Velodyne lidars, but we also have a version high definition that is equipped with 2 Zoller and Fröhlich 9012 profilers. Beside the vehicle-mounted solutions, we also have our traditional backpack, so enabling continuous scan indoor, outdoor, underground, either pedestrian or motorized use. It's really the most versatile mobile mapping system you can find on the market. It is de facto our bestseller all over the world. Please come and ask for more details at viametris.com. Thank you.